Y'all, I'm here. I was finna record, start my intro. I'm at the gas station, alright? So, I'm at the gas station, alright? It's no offense. I'm scared of homeless people, alright? I'm scared. So, I'll be keeping my eyes on them. And now I just lost the nigga. I lost the nigga. I should be fine, though. I should be fine. Yeah, I should be fine. Alright, so, anyways, what's going YouTube? I'm Reap. I'm back with a little video. I'm finna do a POV night drive for y'all in the G8. And yeah, just get it going. Look at 12 over there on the street. They waiting for me. I might have to run on their ass. I'm just playing. I don't run. I don't do activities like that. Anyway, here go to 8. I do got a cam, all that good stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get right into it, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and just start the whip for y'all. Ooh, I done hit the shit out of my head. Damn. Anyway, yeah, I'm finna go ahead and start the whip for y'all. Then hit the road, honestly. I gotta keep my motherfucking license plate out the video. So yeah, that's what it sound like. If you didn't know what an 8-ball sound like. Anyway, shit, I'm finna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna try to go ahead and just make this all one clip, honestly. One video for y'all, get it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. They trying to copyright me as soon as I get in the whip. Okay, again, I got something else to say. So, when y'all watch POV videos, do y'all like when people cut on music and then drive, or do y'all just like no sound at all but the car? Do y'all want to hear the cam? Y'all want to hear the cam and the music? Drop in the comments down below, please, 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 my nigga, please. Yeah, just let me know like what y'all want, I guess. If it's annoying, then let me know. I think this video, I'm gonna probably mix it up. Comment below, mix it up if y'all like how this video is. If y'all don't like how this video go, let me know. Just say no music or the music cool, whatever. Y'all know the music shit gets you copyrighted and shit, but damn, I can't talk today. Anyway, I got a friend that do music, and his music pretty fucking decent, you feel me? So I think y'all won't get too annoyed of it, but if y'all do, y'all let me know. Anyway. Let's go ahead and get to it. My phone at? I do gotta watch out for 12, y'all. It be hot as fuck over here. bitch. Oh my fucking god. Y'all gotta bear with me because I don't really know if y'all can hear me. What the fuck? There ain't no fucking like lights around, y'all. This is gonna be a bad POV, but I guess y'all can just watch me looking at. Anyway, hey, I hope y'all day been well today. If it ain't, find some shit to make it better. Do something. Don't sit on your ass all day and stay cooped up in the crib, whatever. Keep doing that little shit that's making you feel how you feeling. Like, don't do that. Get your ass up. Do something. Watch something. Whatever. I say get your ass up. Get out the house. Go do something. Text your people. Text your friends. Go do something. Shit. Go talk to your mama, nigga. Your daddy, nigga. Go see how they doing. Go do some shit with them. They be like, damn, you want to do something with me? What the fuck? They wouldn't expect that, bro. You gotta make their day too.
Finger steady itching. You would think I'm Ken and Dennis. Couldn't calculate me a minute. Niggas push me training. Image steady seeking for attention. If I tell you all my moves, you be right here to stay. Oh, I can't even quote the drugs. Wishing on my piss an epic fail. Yeah, baby cake, we the biggest. I keep a Glock when I'm in the chest. Mama told me this shit get cut. Though friends ain't on the list. Think about slide through the north. 762s to fuck up a transmission. Why they need to keep this made fuck niggas pay no put us in your reason. First thing first, when you going slide, don't forget your sights, man. Risk my name, the shooter ain't for your medulla. I'm not finna fight your ass. Y'all don't take no land, gotta bring out the body bag. I just land in his face, they ain't recognize his ass. Talk my shit, see why niggas mad. I'm in the trap, I'm tryna build up my clientele, nigga. I need me some cash. We ain't straight as shit, you cross that line, just know we on your ass. Brody hit her right, I see the light, you better do the jazz. Let's go. Me and shooter, we ain't never the type to drive, we the ones who work the bag. Hawk them down with this AIP, make them have an asthma attack. Jumped out with 100 shots, turn the opposition to a pack. Fuck niggas say we high, we're not 24/7, they nigga know we in. Yes, I plead the field, I'm clean my mouth and I'm clean my ear. On my Gucci gang shit like no fool, I feel like the man of the year. Can't name a nigga I feel, chopper cut a nigga in a ear. Free all my niggas in the box, they eating cold cuts, oh they went up here. Brody, he little school, can't tell him nothing, he'll hop out and spin out a lip.
Do the cops really pull niggas over for having their light on? Cause personally, I ain't never seen that happen to nobody. And then, oh, as I'm talking, a cop right there. Hell no. Oh shit. Y'all, the boy's coming. That would make for some crazy content though. Whoa, is that a cop too? Like, they kinda gotta catch me, huh? I'm just playing. Do not run from the cops. Do not run from the fucking cops. That's dumb as hell. Pull your little ass over. And yeah, try to go home tonight. Don't go to jail ever. Stay out of that prison. Stay out of that cell. Cause you don't want them niggas in there to get your butt. Or worse. I don't think it get worse than that.
Try fuck nigga, you can't try to got no motion with his hand out, why the fuck you round? I got intercepted at the goal line, forced him out of bounds. Falling like LeBron in 2012, I just had to clean the crown. I ain't on that 11 shit, I just wanna fuck the bitch. Niggas out here beefing by that pussy, they don't just suck the shit. I'm gonna put the team on even if the game come with a glitch. Wait to call up too so he can film me whenever I feel my wrist. I was sick in the cell without no bell, whole world depending on. When the boss me, dropped on the scale for time when I was trying to lock us down, feel like they be framing us. Streets, baby, we be falling off and ain't no timing us. I used to take the sky, now searching for love, I feel dumb and staring in the lust. Ain't no reason to come to victim me, cause I ain't got no trust. Better watch your tone, we talk to me, cause I'm all about my ish. I ain't real, so when I post the post, don't even like my piss. You don't want us to bless you, it won't miss you, we got shit to kiss you. Can you hear that? No, that's not a mission. Driving as a rental, president, get paid off an instrumental. Two times you been gonna get to see him, it's for with my money. The reason why these niggas start rapping, we so influential. We don't shoot at houses, but we come fuck up the residence. When the car to win, but the cardio gon' TikTok. Got it off the muscle, out the mud, I got it off the block. I'ma say, baby boy, you chosen, you a shining star. Can't let us stop the family, don't have dreams that we would live in long. Gotta count and beating niggas up, CEOs put me behind the bar. Gotta be on point when you in them streets, don't shit that go on. I ain't switching up with the same niggas you to play with at the park. All that activists, you ain't no shit, all you do is bark. I won't miss your brain, stay in lane, cause I'm with my vein. On the 100 real, go rockin', go hit Jockey Lane. Told him not stay down, we gon' come up and go hit Johnny Dane. I ain't about no fame, lose your life, you touch my fucking chain. I call them dudes, they gon' stand on back. What can't shit committed sin, I cannot repeat. My dog died when we going slide, talk bro, it ain't no business. Best shots like keep breaking, I'ma shoot this bitch, tell it kill it. They ain't gangin' us, we know that they can't hang with us. Gotta keep a gun, cause where I'm from, that shit be saving us. How about when them sticks know I'm a mystery, you the hanging us. These youngins tryna lock us down, I feel like they be framing us. Tricks, baby, yeah, we from the north and ain't no turning us. Young nigga who pushed up in the foreign, I used to take the bus. When I'm searching for love, I feel dumb and staring in the lust. Ain't no reason to come to victim me, cause I ain't got no trust.
Alright, y'all boys, I'm gonna call it. It's getting late and there's helicopters outside and I do not want to get pulled over tonight. I don't want to talk to them. I don't want to meet them. I don't want to none y'all with that ass. So I'm gonna call it here. Y'all be safe. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all want some more. I do got some more content coming up for you guys tomorrow. Or y'all gonna see, cause I got more videos to drop. I'm gonna drop hella at once, so y'all got shit to watch while I'm getting started. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.